Hi guys, very good morning to one and all. This is Trading Twilight and I am Ankita Agnihotri and today we have Wednesday. So on Wednesday, market has opened as a like gap down and then it has again recovery we have seen from the down level. So the market is changing its trend right now. So maybe it will be going to turn into bearish, but we have to wait for any like candle to retrace from the till the supports, then we will be trying to make any short position. Here I cannot blindly go for the short side. If we have made a entry at here, then it's comfortably fine from that particular resistance, which is 25,150. So you can trail your positions, and it has like giving you a scalp sort of, because market is sideways, to try to book your profit. As per the price action, a market will be going to retrace from any point, so you will be going to miss an opportunity and miss your profit. So kindly book your profit above the supports, like this is day low 25,788. So kindly 50% quantity you can book, and we will be gonna make entry again once it's going to reject from this particular resistance, which is 25,150 or 170 whatsoever. It's you can make a trend line from that particular resistance, which is today's high. And if it is going to retrace from this trend line to here anywhere, so we will gonna make entry in the reversals sale on rise pattern again and again. But here I can only go for a scalp. Let's see where it will be going to make an hammer or sort of. So I will be gonna book my profit, and freshly my quantities will be going to trigger once it's going to retrace in this trend line particularly, and then I will be going to freshly make in this way. I'll just make in this way if it is going to reject, and then we will be going to see a fresh selling and the sellers will be coming into the picture. Here you cannot go for a freshly for the selling side. If you have made an entry in for a scalping purpose from here, so then definitely you can trail your positions, and 25,100 it's a good support. So it will be going to retrace from that particular point to the highs like 125, 150 and 170. Then definitely one move towards the day low it's possible. So we will be looking for that particular point to get an entry, and right now market is sideways. To try to book your profit whatsoever it gives to you in the morning. So you have to firstly make it very easy, like it has giving you profit, so just book your profit. Then definitely don't make entry again and again, otherwise you will be going to trap, because we have expiry one day before expiry in Sensex. So maybe sideways move is still uh, we can see for the further like 1 or 2 hour. So maybe the real move we will be going to see by tomorrow. So you have to make position accordingly. You can switch to Nifty or Bank Nifty, which is looking more bearish, but it has to retrace, then only I will make entry for the positional basis for intraday purpose. So I will be gonna make in this way a selling position, which is sale on rise. From the highs you have to see 200 is acting as a strong resistance at here. So once 125, 133 or 150 it will be going to retrace in the selling side, you can go for a freshly for the you can make your fresh entry in the selling side. But here if you have made an entry in the like rejection of this trend line at here, so you can definitely trail your position and book your profit. I don't think it will be definitely go for a one go. So you can book your profit, but don't hold your position for a long, otherwise like it will be going to retrace from that particular point from anywhere. So we will be gonna like miss this opportunity in the selling side. So which will be going to make a remarkable position at particular point. Here I cannot afford a selling for a like intraday purpose or particular point. We will have to wait for the certain consolidation, and then down move will be going to we can see here it is going on a like one go. So this is a just a kind of scalp you have done and dusted at here at a scalp and ready for the one retracement, and then definitely one big selling we are looking for. 25,000 itself is it's a target I'm looking for. So ready for that particular entry to give you a particular right move. And India VIX is very low, and if you go with the bank nifty is still bearish, and it is the perfect sale on rise patterns candidate, where like it is not giving you an entry in the nifty for the upside, and this is the culprit which is making again lower low lower low, and it is not ready to go on the upside. In this way it is falling, so it can also retrace for 56,100 and somewhere. Then we will make entry in bank nifty as well for the particular day low and below. Here you can also trail your position in this way. And if we go with the SDFC is continuously making a selling, and same price action like bank nifty, it has rejected from the opening only. Kotak Bank is in selling, ICICI is in selling, Axis in selling, Federal Bank is slightly positive. So maybe market gonna like bank nifty gonna retrace from here according to the Federal Bank as well. Reliance is negative, Infi is positive. So a mixed kind of sideways move is we can see, because like IT sector is positive, Reliance is negative. So what you can look for, a big very short and very small opportunity in the scalping you can do in both the sides. Don't hold your position for any of the side. Directional move we can see only when it will be going to retrace and reject from that particular point. So definitely selling we can see in the Sensex, which we are looking for. And I will definitely Sensex 82,000 itself, it's a good support, so I will be not going to make entry freshly for the selling side. I will be going to make entry in this moving average. It will be going to reject, which is 82,080 level. Then I will make entry in Sensex for the target of 81 500 400 area. It will be going to give our target. So this would be the best trade we are looking for. Right now market is totally sideways, so if you have made an entry in the selling side from the morning, so you have to book your profit and respect it and wait for the second opportunity. And if you have not found any opportunity for the second time, so you just skip today's market and you will be getting an entry, and by tomorrow itself it's possible it will be giving you a big opportunity in any of the side, because one day before expiry we have seen Sensex will be gonna sideways, or any of the indices is not going to move. So theta decay will be going to have a place. So here you can definitely go and look for only opportunities which is making a low risk and high reward. So here 25,050 is a good support, so I cannot blindly go for a selling at here. Who have like trailing their position well and good, they can trail for 20,000 25,050. You can book definitely, which is a good move. You have captured from this 170 rejection till I have booked my position at here 25,090. I have not trailed because I was not believing it will be going to retrace. I was hoping for that, ready for the candle to retrace, and then I will make entry for the remarkable risk to reward. So let's see, it will be giving you or me a entry. This is a disclaimer, all contents are for education purpose. So if you are making any buy and sale as per my analysis, so consult to your financial advisor first. And we can see a big move towards the selling side, which already have done our target, maybe. So it will be giving you again sale on rise. This would be possible. And this is Dow Jones, which is totally negative in so this is making a impact on our market as well. So but these are the supports, so don't try to make a position freshly in the selling side from that particular support. Here I cannot justify a selling, so you have to wait on 3 minute or 5 minute rejection. Again a sale on rise, it will be going to reject from here and here, then we will be going to freshly go for a sailing. And this is fin nifty is also in a sailing, so you can trail your position if you have already made your positions in the sailing side, or if you have not made, then wait for the candle to close and give you an entry. Then definitely one move towards the sailing which you can capture is again, there is nothing you will be going to lose, or ये भागा जा रहा है, I have not made entry. Just wait, be calm and make your position again. It will give you entry again. So just keep your trailing if you are already in a sailing side, or if you have not made entry, just wait for the price action. It will be going to took support from here or make again an entry, then definitely one entry you can make in the sailing side only. So this is Ankita Agnihotri signing off, guys, and this is a particular moment which I have captured in the sailing side. Let's see, second move we are hoping for the best. And if you are making an entry according to my analysis, so consult to your financial advisor and do your own analysis as well, because you have making an intraday which is highly risky. And if you are watching my video till here, so you're very special, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, and go for more liking and sharing, so that I can reach more of you and making you profitable on daily basis. So this is all set, and price action I have already shared to you, so go with the flow and book your profit, part of your profit, because market is in consolidation and sideways. So where put writers and as well as the call writers are both are active, so this is the reason market is sideways. So kindly book your profit if you are have trailed in the selling side. Bye bye, love you all.